find and replacing any word in Microsoft Excel sheet. Firstly, need to select find and select tab. Click here to replacing or find out any words. Look, there find and replace both tab present, so you can select or click any one. So I click find, and firstly need to find out any desired word which we want to replace by any other's word. So we want to find out press, PRESS, and replace with click. You can select any desired word which you want to replacing. So you can check press word which cell presents. You can click find next tab, individually checking in which cell presents press word. And if you select find all, then here shown all desired all selected cell where presents press. So here we checking find next in which cell presents press word. So look, there have about 12 press word in 10 cells. So now we select find all. Look here, 10 in 10 cells found where presents press word. We want to replace them. If we select replace all tab or click replace all tab, then all press word will be replaced as a click. So select or click replace all, and now all press are replaced by click. You can select any desired word to replacing by any desired word. You can write down and replace by this option. Thank you for watching this video.